Hello students, in the earlier classes we have learned about the general characteristics of arthropoda. So this session starts with the classification of arthropoda. So arthropoda, phylum arthropoda is divided into seven classes, and they are: first one, merostomata, merostomata. Second one is arachnida. Third class is crustacea. Fourth one is Diplopoda. Fifth class is Chelopoda. Sixth one is Hexapoda or Insecta. Insecta. And the seventh class is Onchophora. Onchophora. So these are the seven classes of arthropoda. So first class is merostomata. First class is merostomata. These are living fossils. Living fossils. Okay. So example of this is Limulus. It is a horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab is also called as king crab. King crab. And these are the primitive arthropods. Primitive arthropods. Okay. So this is merostomata. Coming to the arachnida. The second class of arthropoda, arachnida. So these are also known as 8 walking legs. Also known as 8 walking legged animals or 4 pairs or 4 pairs. Okay. So example of arachnida are spider, ticks, mites, and scorpion. The third class of arthropoda is crustacea. So in this crustacea, the organisms or animals are made of chitin and calcium carbonate. So they are having these materials in the exoskeleton. Okay. And these are also having biramous appendages. Biramous appendages. Biramous appendages. And these biramous appendages looks like this. So these are the biramous appendages. Okay. So these are observed in examples: crab is cancer, and prawns Hermit crab. Hermit crab. Okay. So this is the third class crustacea. And then fourth class Diplopoda. Diplopoda. So this Diplopoda, nothing but di means two and poda means legs. So diplo means two pairs of walking legs in one segment. Two pairs of walking legs. Two pairs of walking legs in one or a single segment. One or single segment. Okay. Single segment. So it looks like this. These are the segments. And you have two pairs of legs. Two pairs of legs. Okay. So examples of this Diplopoda is Julius and Millipede. Julius and Millipede. And the fifth class of the Arthropoda is Chelopoda. So meaning of this Chelopoda is one pair of legs in one segment. One pair of legs in one segment or in a single segment. Single segment. So it looks somewhat like this. So these are the body segments. Okay. These are the body segments and you have a single pair of legs. Okay. So the examples are centipede, and scolopenda. Okay. Next, coming to the sixth class of Arthropoda is Hexapoda or Insecta. Hexapoda or Insecta. So these have body which is divided into three parts and they are head, thorax and abdomen. Okay. And these are having Malpighian tubules. These have Malpighian tubules for as excretory organs. Malpighian tubules as excretory organs. And these hexapoda this hexapoda is divided into two subclasses and they are divided into two subclasses. They are Pterygota and Apterygota. So examples of Pterygota is Lepsima. This is called silverfish. Or you can see a silver color creature appears. It is not a creature. It is a small insect present in the old books. That means when you open an old book, a fast moving organism, you can see the fast moving organism. So it is the silverfish which is in silver color. So it is Lepsima. It is found in books, insect of books. Okay, this is insect of books. And example of Apterygota is Musa paradisica. Sorry, Musa domestica. Musa domestica. This is housefly. We all know this. Okay. And this insecta have compound eyes, and three pairs of legs. Three pairs of legs. Okay. Now, the last class of Arthropoda is Oncophora. So, example of this Oncophora is Peripeta. Peripeta. This is the connection link between Annelida and Arthropoda. This is the connection link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Okay. Next. So these are the 7 classes of Arthropoda. And coming to the useful organisms, vectors, larvae of this phylum Arthropoda. Okay. So first of all, let's see the useful insects. So up to here, we have completed the classification. Now we are discussing the useful and beneficial, useful or advantageous or disadvantageous insects or creatures which are present in the Arthropoda. Okay. So useful insects are, first one is honeybee. Honeybee. We get honey and wax. So second one is silkworm. So this silkworm is of 3 types, and they are Anthria, this is genus Anthria paphia, which gives tussar silk. Same genus, and then Samensis. This provides us Muga silk. And then Philosemia resini. Philosemia resini. This provides eri silk. Coming to the third insect, dragonfly. So this dragonfly, it feeds on mosquito larvae. So it is a beneficial thing for us, so that no malaria could spread. Next one is lac insect. It provides us lac, which is used in sealing the envelopes and making the toys, and also for most of the purposes. Okay. Next, coming to the vectors. So these are the disadvantageous part of Arthropoda. First one, mosquito. Okay, so these mosquitoes are, first of all, we remember malaria as we hear the name of mosquito. Okay, So the Anopheles mosquito, which causes malaria. And the second one is Aedes aegypti. This causes yellow fever. Okay. And the third one is Culex. This causes elephantiasis and sissy fly. This is very, very important because it causes sleeping sickness. Okay. Next, sandfly. Sandfly causes kala azar. Kala azar. The last one, the housefly. It carries most of the disease causing organism. So the first disease we can get from the housefly is diarrhea followed by dysentery. Okay. So these are the disadvantageous organisms which are present in the phylum Arthropoda. And next, coming to the larval stages of insects. Larvae of insects. So first one is butterfly. The larval stage of butterfly or silkworm is caterpillar. Is caterpillar. And the second one is honeybee. This is grub. Grub. The larval stage of honeybee is called as grub. Okay. Next, housefly. Housefly. We all know this. This is maggot. Okay. And then the fourth one is mosquito. It is a little bit different. This is regular. Regular. Okay. So these are the larval stages of insects, are the names of larval stages of insects. Okay. Then next, some of the insects are present, and let's see. Cochineal insect. Cochineal insect. It yields red dye. It yields red dye. Cochineal insect. So these are beneficial. Next, cicada. Cicada. This reminds us the new variant of corona, the Omicron new variant is cicada. Okay, so this cicada is a fly or insect. It produces loudest sound. Produces loud sounds. Okay, next, Xenopsilla. Chiopsis. Xenopsilla chiopsis. This spreads bubonic plague. This spreads bubonic plague. As we can see, there are no cases of plague. Okay, so there is no work for this insect. Next, trained honeybees. Trained honeybees. trained honeybees. These are the world's most advanced landmine detectors. These can detect landmines. Most important one. So trained honeybees can detect the landmines. These are the world's most advanced insects. Okay. So these are the some of the beneficial and disadvantageous insects, okay, of arthropods.